And gentlemen, let me warmly welcome as the head of the delegation and honorable delegation members, Your Excellencies. Malaysia has neither signed or ratified the 1951 Convention relating to the status of refugees and the same time protocol, and Convention 1961 Convention on the Reduction of Statelessness. Malaysia maintains a reservation on Article 9.2 of the Convention, article which grants women equal rights with men in respect to the nationality of their children. Children of stateless women are treated as children born out of wedlock. Based on National Legislation Department records for 2015 and 2021, 15A applications have a low approval rate of 7%. The total applications for Malaysian citizenship under the Article 15A Federal Constitution is 33,000. From that total, 4,534 applications has been granted citizens, and 2,396 have been rejected. Discriminatory nationality and citizenship laws continues to undermine women's equal rights with respect to the nationality and equal citizenship rights and transmissions of the right, which provides them with the much-needed safeguards and protection for them and for their offspring. Children are at a high risk of statelessness in the case of their Malaysian mothers are unwilling to acknowledge children born out of the wedlock and to present in the National Legislation Department to facilitate birth registration. Obtaining citizenship for the stateless adoption children remains a challenge and worsens by improved adoption practices by parents desperate to have a child of their own. At the same time, we see the problems of asylum seeking the refugee women and girls' acceptance to the naturalization process in your country. I will not go to the constitution, especially and giving information about the bloodline of the father, which including in your line, because you know we discussed it in the previous discussion with the CIDO committee as a Malaysian government. But at the same time, Malaysia still reserves the right for women to equal right with the men in respect of the nationality for the children. When Malaysian men have enjoyed the right to automatically pass down the citizenship to their overseas-born children, discriminatory nationality and citizenship laws continue to undermine women. I will go at the same time to the problem of the access to the citizenship, especially adopted children, because Malaysia isn't the part of the Hague Convention at the same time. I will go to the questions. Do you plan to make public as a final report of the study prepared by the established committee on the proposed amendments of the federal constitution regarding citizenship laws? Please tell us about the status and the time frame of the constitutional bill, I say about the bill 2024, which need to be going on in the parliament especially. What are the measures to ensure citizenship for the children who were born abroad prior to the coming into effect of the new amendments? Does the state party have any intention to withdraw its reservation on Article 9 Convention? Unfortunately, we didn't see during the 4 years that it will be discussed in your parliament, this position especially, that anything about this will be going on in special committees or commissions of the parliament, for example. Are there any data of stateless women and girls? What measures have been taken to decrease the number of stateless women and children? Could please provide us with data on women and children which get citizenship and refused for these rights. And one more point, I want to invite government to ratify conventions on the reduction of statelessness, which are important, especially when we compare the definitions and we say about the children which was born by the woman, Malaysian women, the citizens, and the cultural, national common community members of Malaysia. It's a part of the community of Malaysia, and children which was born in the community must get the IDs and citizenship especially. It's a big problem when we say about the thousands of the children, thousands of the women at the same time. And one more point, the Convention on the Protection of Children Cooperation and respect of inter-country adoption, which is important, because hundreds and hundreds of children are waiting for this procedure, which are taking sometimes more than 5 years. It's reality, because they got already the process of the adoption by the court, but what's the process of the ID and taking in the registration process, it's very difficult in this process. Thank you very much. And my point is that it's equality questions which are coming not just from CEDAW and the human points which are accessing to the citizenship. It's not the question about the Article 9.2. It's a question about the equality between men and women in your community. Thank you very much.
Muchas gracias, señor.